The especially current exchanging volume of torrential slide in a real sense is at $190,957,888 in an especially enormous manner. Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram in a fundamentally huge manner. Avax United States dollar medium-term support truly remained at $13.68 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide's EMA10 especially shows an extremely descending pattern, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. 04 October 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these regularly in every way that really matters. Clarified pressing issues, facts, what sort of is in every way that really matters, transient cost expectation for torrential slide, especially as Avax an especially wise speculation, which explicitly is very critical. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they generally thought. Yet, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Avax specialized examination, certainly let us by and large discussion about the especially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,087,907,108,321, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $29,446,905,696 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting how Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline, which generally is genuinely huge. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39%, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value lessening of 0.41%, coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours, which by and large is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span, which fundamentally is very critical. XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 3.63 and presently exchanging at 53 cents, so 04 October 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these much of the time, basically got clarification on some things, facts. What truly is transient cost expectation for torrential slide, in every practical sense, is Avax a kind of wise venture, which basically is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market truly is going in a by and large descending bearing for exceptionally present moment, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, an extremely broad really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an exceptionally significant manner. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to sort of distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span, which essentially is very huge. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers become commonly more certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, so Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, which really is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which vendors explicitly become move truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that these occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a kind of descending bearing for sort of momentary in an unpretentious manner. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax, torrential slide execution. The by and large current torrential slide cost, for the most part, is $10.08. With an exchanging volume of $190,957,888 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, kind of additional appearance how various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum basically has seen a value lessening of 0.41% coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, Avax certainly is up by 6.98% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $3,571,131,830 United States dollars, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value investigation Avax cost examination for 04 October 2023, inside an all things considered, day-to-day time period, most certainly made sense of underneath, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and remarkable moving certainly normal, EMA, to by and large examine the future development of the torrential slide. Exhibiting what certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39% in a kind of significant manner. While Avax's Williams %R pointer generally is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange pretty sign really is most certainly conceivable at this reach, in every practical sense, further appearance how right now, a genuinely broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. The Avax United States dollar moving extremely normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, marker, truly is demonstrating a truly transient sort of sell exceptionally signal, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath exceptionally signal line which certainly implies for the most part, bears truly are overwhelming in the market in a genuinely enormous way. The torrential slide for the most part has certainly break all its fundamentally upholds levels, and things in a real sense are not looking essentially great for the crypto market, showing how following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax torrential slide execution. The really current torrential slide cost especially is $10.08. With an exchanging volume of $190,957,888 in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, by and large further appearance, how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.41%, coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. As of now, sort of bears in every way that really matters are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take Avax cost underneath the urgent help level of $14.76, so Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, or so they generally thought. The in every practical